So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SBK NEET Self Learner. So basically today I'm going to post my MCQ video, which is a part of my daily revision and practice in the Sookshmas beyond knowing gaming, which is a part of my daily revision, which helps me to enhance my practice for my NEET preparation. So I will just post one of the MCQ, like I will also explain, and I will also note. I have also noted in this point that every question which I used to study or like to post in the beyond knowing activity, all that question should be somewhat modified, because that is only the reason that which will help me in remembering the concept, because the question which has been modified by me, it's very much helpful for me also, so that I can remember it in a better ways and a better different ways to understand that question. So, in the same way, the today's question which I have picked is a question of a physical chemistry. And the question says a mixture of 9.2 grams of formic acid and 18 grams of oxalic acid is treated with the concentrated H2SO4. The evolved gas mixture is passed through KOH pellets. Weight of the remaining product of at STP will be, sorry. Okay, so in this question I will let you know that this is a PYQ question, and I have tried to make it as in a derived PYQ, DPYQ we say, as it we say it. So in this question what I have did is like, normally the ratio values of the formic acid and oxalic acid was given different, and I took it as in 9.2 grams of formic acid and 18 grams of formic acid, oxalic acid. So in this way I just modified the values, because as I have modified the values, I'm also going to get the answers as in different format. I'll get it in different way. That also I have modified, so that whenever this type of questions come the same pattern, so I can solve that question immediately, because I have itself modified the question, so it will be more easier for me to understand that question. And the main thing of the NEET is time and accuracy. You have to be in speed and your accuracy. So if you practice in this way, it will more helpful for you to maintain your speed and accuracy. So this is the question which I'm going to post on the beyond doing activity. So let's do it. So I will go in the plus section over here, and I will get the post MCQ option. If I go into that option, I will just get this arrow. I will look into the images uploads. I will get this question over here from the gallery I have uploaded, and I will set it OK and finish editing. Okay, this is the question over here which I have explained. So in this way, now when we come to the solution of this question, so in this question, see the way I have tried to solve this question. So in this question, if I react the HCOOH, which is the formic acid, which is given as 9.2 grams, if we react formic acid with H2SO4, and as we know that H2SO4 is a dehydrating agent. Okay, like it removes H2O, पानी निकाल देता है कोई भी प्रोडक्ट में से वो पानी निकाल देगा वहाँ से. So in this way, when we react H2SO4, we get CO plus H2O. Like as I have showed in the red color, like HCOOH में से CO तो रह जाएगा और H2O निकल जाएगा, so it will be 1 CO plus H2O, 1 H2O we will get in this reaction. And the same way, if we react the oxalic acid with H2SO4, we get CO2 and CO. like एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल निकल जाएगा, H2O निकल जाएगा, तो CO और CO2 बचा, और दैट विल बी द प्रोडक्ट. अभी ये क्वेश्चन में यहाँ पे ये ध्यान रखना है, वी हैव टू कीप दिस इन माइंड दैट in the question it is itself given over here that the evolved gas is passed through the KOH pellet. Now if anyone have this idea that KOH, when it react with CO2, like it absorbs CO2, right? This can also be related with the biology chapter, photosynthesis in higher plants. It is given in the experiment over there in the first or second page of that chapter, that KOH is given. KOH has been sample has been used in that plant, and what it does, that it absorbs CO2 from that. So from that also we can relate that. So this type of thinking you needs to be developed, so that you can interrelate the chapters and speedily you can calculate your questions. So in this question, they have said that gas evolved has passed through KOH and KOH absorbs CO2. So in the same way, KOH has been absorbed CO2. So in the product, I will get only CO moles. One CO from uh, formic acid and one from oxalic acid. Now the way to find the amount of CO2, so we will use the stoichiometric concept over here, like the moles of HCOOH formic acid would be equals to moles of CO. In this reaction, we have to first needs to balance the required reaction, and the reaction is balanced. So for finding the weight of CO, I can calculate the moles of CO from here. As you can see that moles divided by stoichiometric coefficient, like coefficient डिवाइड कर देंगे अगर नीचे उसको, तो हमको उसके रेशियोज मिल जाता है. इस वे में ये एक ट्रिक है कि मोल्स ऑफ फॉर्मिक एसिड डिवाइड बाय इट्स stoichiometric ratio, stoichiometric constant is equals to moles of CO by N2. अगर इस क्वेश्चन में अगर हमको अलग अलग जैसे एक ही अगर रिएक्शन होती एंड अगर इसमें लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट होती, तो मैं उस लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट को कंसिडर करके ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करता. कि जैसे समझो अगर मेरा दो रिएक्शंस है NaCl और कुछ भी XYZ, तो जो XYZ अगर लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट है तो मुझे उसको कंसिडर करके रिएक्शन निकालना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज वो जल्दी ख़त्म हो रहा है. तो इन दिस क्वेश्चन हम सीधा सीधा कर सकते हैं कि मोल्स ऑफ, क्योंकि दोनों 1:1 रेशियोज में बन रहा है. अगर एक मोल HCOOH बन रहा है तो एक ही मोल कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड बनेगा, वन मोल CO. तो इन द सेम वे मोल्स ऑफ HCOOH कैसे मिलेगा मेरे को? वेट बाय मॉलिकुलर वेट. तो वेट मैंने यहाँ पे रखा है उसको 9.2 ग्राम्स बाई 46 इज द मोलर मास ऑफ दी formic acid. So it will be 0.2 moles into molecular weight. What is the molecular weight? It is 28. Okay, you can get this that it will be ones and twos are 0.2 divided by into 28 weight, and 28 is the molecular weight of carbon monoxide. So I will get 5.6 grams of CO. In the same way, I will get the weight of carbon monoxide from the oxalic acid, that is 18 grams of oxalic acid divided by its molecular weight, that is 90. I get it as 0.2 into 28 will be that same 5.6, okay. And 5.6 plus 5.6, because we have to calculate the overall weight of CO. So that will be 5.8 plus 5.8, which is equals to 11.2 grams of CO. So in this way, I have also explained the overall core concept of this question, like how I used to solve the questions when it comes to physical chemistry. So I will just pose the question over here as we did it over here. So I will use the recent tags. I have a physical chemistry over here. Okay, I can also add here some tags like aims. Okay, I did it. So in this option, I can give the options over here like 5.6 gram. You know why I have given the 5.6 gram? Because 5.6 grams, that is we also have the option 11.2. So if people do any calculation mistake, they can land to a wrong question. So you have to also keep that in your mind. One more is 11.2 grams, which is our correct option. I will add 22.4 grams, and anything as any number we can write 46 gram, 26 gram, okay, 46 gram, 44 grams, okay, no problem. So the correct option is 11.2, which is option B. So I have set option B. How this question is prepared? So as we know that the question is modified, so I can write the modified over here. Story behind this is a DERIVED, derived PYQ type question, where I have tried to change the values or the weight of the reactant to get a value which is a modified one. So I've just given some information about my question, how I used to modify this, and I will tag some profiles over here. Like it will be Sookshmas. I will tag Aman. I will tag some other profiles also, so that they can get the notification that I have posted my question. So I've done this over here, and now what I will do is I will just submit the MCQ option over here. As I submitted, see in the explore section. Here you can see I am having my MCQ over here, and as I posted my MCQ, I will get 10 points into my points table. See, this is in the blue section. It is 10 points I have got because I have posted one question. In the same way, I will post one comment that is also part of activity, and 7.5, that is a points of claps. The questions which other post, we have to revise that question so that we can clap it over there. And in the first column, you can see that was of play quiz. Okay, so in the same way, other have also done their activities over here, and and the person who comes at the top in this points table, they used to get some rewards behalf of their daily activities. So that is a better motivation for a students to cope up for the best questions and best results, and eventually lead to a best reward. So I will also like to share my achievement card over here. This is my achievement card, like till date what I have achieved in this Sookshmas beyond knowing activity. So I will explain you my achievement card. I have done a 295 plus hours of self study in this beyond knowing, because it is a platform where we used to do some self studies. So it is 295 plus hours I have self studied over here. So on behalf of that and my content and everything, I got the rewards and scholarship of 35,275 rupees, which is which is a type of a reward and a scholarship. Sukshma score is 22,779, and the play duration is 9 months, approximately 9.5, like 9.15 days. And the question which I have posted is 277 total questions I have posted, and the question which has been answered by me is 370. Okay, it is 3700 questions more I have answered. The play quiz, I have played 171 quizzes. Total clap I have given is 9132 claps. Post and discussion read, I have the questions I have read is 3774. Total views are 29,000 prox, and followers are 120. And mentors, like weekly mentor is the part where we get the 5 points, and we are also selected as a weekly mentor that I have been for 2 times. So this is basically my achievement card in the Sookshmas Beyond Knowing gaming activity for the revision and practice. So it is the best platform. We get many tools over here to enhance our study and to be motivated towards your designated competitive exam. You can also come it for your XYZ, any if you are preparing for engineering exams or JEE mains, you can also be a part of Sookshmas and help to gain your more knowledge through the question which has been posed by other people. Now the question which I have posted over here, other people will come over here and they will try to solve this question. उन लोग से अगर क्वेश्चन होगा, उन लोग से हो गया तो वो सॉल्व करेंगे, और एल्स आई विल पोस्ट और समवन एल्स विल पोस्ट दैट आंसर. सो ऐसे वे में ना ये ग्रुप स्टडीज़ हो जाती है और बेटर वे हो जाता है, एक डिस्कशन टाइप हो जाता है, दैट विच इज़ वेरी मच नेसेसरी फॉर एनी स्टूडेंट टू कोप अप विद देयर स्टडीज़. Okay, so this is only the thing I need to share with you. Hope you like this video which I have tried to explain it over here, and the MCQ pattern and everything I have done it from my side. Hope if you have any more further queries, please comment down in the comment section so that I can read it and answer you in a better way. if I have lagged here something. And also share this video with your friends if you think this is an informative thing, or you should share it with your friends. And also the last but not the least, please subscribe to the SBK NEET Self Learner. Thank you.